talk about if a solid or a liquid is water, and and this is a cup, and I filled it with water, and I put it inside the room, and then it turned warm water, and then this one I put it under the sun, and then it became warm. It just stayed the same. Just it was just warm water, and this one was inside the freezer, and then at the beginning it was water, and then it was turning ice block for ice for 3 days, and then I checked it now. Now it feels cold, and it is ice block now. And then what I did next is it I I left it for 8 minutes for 3 days, and then it's ice. So the water turned into ice because it's inside the freezer. And for sun, the sun just turned into warm water, and this one just was in the room and it turned warm. So that's how my experiment was. Water was solid and liquid and a gas. So how then if you put the ice block inside fire, you you can see smoke, and then if you put it inside the heater, you see smoke. So that's all for my experiment. Bye.